Have you ever wondered about something? Like, why is the grass wet in the morning? Or what is synchronized swimming, anyways? Well, Wonderopolis is the place to find answers to all you wonder about. So let's check it out. One of the coolest features Wonderopolis has to offer is the Wonder of the Day feature. You simply go to Explore Wonders and scroll down. Here you'll find thousands of Wonders of the Day articles. Something that I've always wondered about is where is the 100-acre woods, anyways? Once you find the article, you'll see that there are a lot of interesting features for you to use. You could watch a video, or you could have the article read to you. Once you finish reading the entire article, you're going to notice that there are a few other great features, such as wonder words and did you get it, to test your knowledge. Let's try wonder words. So it says drag a word to fit its definition. In distinction from others. Is it beloved, published, fictional, Heather, or specifically? Let's try specifically. I got it. All right, how about did you get it? Let's test my knowledge. Milan's classic Winnie the Pooh was published in which year? Let's try B, 1926. All right, I got it again. Another cool feature that Wonderopolis has to offer is the search option where you can explore something that maybe you are interested in. So I wonder about black holes. Here's an article titled, What is a Black Hole? Again, I can read through the article, checking out these words for vocabulary in case I want to do the wonder words again. And once I'm finished, I can test my knowledge. Let's look at another really cool feature of Wonderopolis, the Wonder Jar. Maybe what you're interested in is finding out about something you've never even considered before. Well, that's what the Wonder Jar is for. You can simply click New Wonder, and it gives you something to think about. Why do I have bad breath in the morning? Let's check it out. The last feature that I want to show you for Wonderopolis is the What are you wondering? Maybe you have a very specific question that you want answered, but you can't find anything on Wonderopolis about it. For example, I wonder, do dogs understand humans? Once I type in my question, it gives me the option to put my first, last, email, and what inspired this wonder. When I submit it, if it gets picked, it will be featured on the wonders of the day. So now that you know a little bit about Wonderopolis, it's time to start wondering.